Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and on this Cadillac we're going to go over how you would jump start the vehicle. Say your battery has gone dead or is too low, you're getting a little clickety click. So your battery is located right here. Might have a cover over it. This one happens to be missing said cover. So you can either access this post for your positive connection from your jumper cable, or we have this connection right here. This is covered by a little black cover that you're going to remove 2 push pins down here and be able to remove that cover, and then you'll be able to access this. So you would pop this cover up and be able to put your jumper cable on there. And the order your jumper cables is that you're going to hook your positive to this car or this connection, and then you're going to hook the positive to the donor vehicle or battery and the negative to the donor vehicle, and then you would come back with your negative here and connect it to a good ground. This is a good ground. This is the ground for the vehicle, not to the negative post, but you want to ground it to the vehicle itself. So a good ground, this is the ground already, or this post right here on the struts is generally always a good ground. So you ground it like that. And then you would have your donor vehicle is running and charging your battery and giving your power to this vehicle, and then you can go ahead and start it after a few minutes, and then you're good to go. And then you would disconnect it in the reverse order. We undo this ground, and then we undo the 2 connectors on the other side, and then undo our positive that's connected to here. Whether you use this connection or you use the connection up here on the battery, and then that's good. And now you would also want to do some checking to make sure it wasn't your alternator that has worn out, or if it was your battery that's worn out, and then you would just go ahead and replace the battery or alternator, or both, if that's what the issue is. So that's how you would jumpstart your Cadillac STS of a 2011 model, and this has got the V6 motor. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.